Source Language Panel. Let's take a quick look at how we can edit and work with the source text. There are two columns in the Source Language panel. On the left, we have the segment number, and on the right, we have the segment contents. Under the segment number is the label icon. To help identify issues, you can add labels to the segments by clicking on the plus sign. The system admin will provide predetermined labels that best fit their needs. These labels can also be used as filter criteria, which we will look at later. To delete a label, just click on the Remove option in the drop-down menu. Should you find a mistake in the source text you wish to correct, you can do so directly in the editor. The system keeps track of changes made to individual segments. Once you've edited the text, a little Modified by User icon will appear under the segment. At the top of the working space, in the language header bar, is an Edit slider. This will enable or disable the ability to edit the source text. If the edit functionality is disabled, you will not be able to edit the source text. If the text has length constraints, you will see that information written under the segment contents. You can attach questions or comments about a specific segment by using the dialog icon. A transparent icon indicates that no comment has been left. A yellow icon means that the segment has been provided with a comment. Simply click on the icon to open the comment history in the widget panel on the right. You'll also be able to see who left the comment and when they posted it. In addition to editing and leaving comments about a source text, you can also adjust the segmentation. You can easily combine two subsegments by clicking Join with Next Segment. This is helpful when sentence clauses would be translated in a different order in the target text. It is, however, important to note that you can only join subsegments that are indicated with a hyphen. In this case, we can choose to combine segments 3, 3.2, 3.3, and so on together. We cannot, however, join segment 1 with segment 2. The system typically splits text in terms of functionality, so segment 1 may represent a title and segment 2 a subtitle. You can also split segments, either letting the editor decide automatically or placing your cursor where a split makes the most sense. The blue dot and line represent the current location of your cursor, so this segment will be split after the word sleigh. The editor will automatically refresh and show the new segmentation. Splitting and joining are considered user modifications, so these segments will be updated to reflect that.